Mighty cold here on the shores of Newfoundland, but we're at the wreck of the SSN. Not much left of her. Some bits and pieces, some scrap metal along the shore. Yes, sir. But it is chilly. It's time to head back up. We're at the Tablelands. Pretty neat. It's like a Martian desert with some trees in it. How cold's the water, Caden? Go check it out. I bet you it's really cold. That's just snow melt. This whole thing's snow melt. A lot of walking, but so worth it. So worth it. Unbelievable. All right, we're still walking. We're off trail now, though. Kinda. Still a trail, but it's not like a. It's not as clean as the trail we were just on. Oh, they still have little walkways and stuff, little boardwalks. The youngest rock in the park. Okay, so there's travertine forming down on the rocks down here. So it's rare travertine is forming at alkaline springs. Please do not step or damage these unusual rocks. So step off the trail. Okay, so we can step off the trail. Oh, right here. Okay. So this is the youngest rock in the park. Some of the stuff is building up and forming here now. Going against some of the oldest rocks in the world. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Don't go down on those too far. It says only to go a little bit. And you can see people stepped in it there. That's new rock that's forming. It hasn't hardened yet, and people are leaving their footprints in it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. You're not supposed to go down that far. You good? Woo! All right, the piece de resistance. Look at this dished out valley. Help. Unreal. This is called Winter House Brook Canyon. All right, we came down to the water. And let me tell you, what do you think, Caden? Dip your fingers in there. Is it cold? That is freezing cold, but is that ever clean? What? Ugh. All right, and away we go. sitting here since about 6:15 this morning, uploading my videos. I got 5G, and let me show. That's the Tablelands up that way. That's kind of where we hiked up into that bowl that you see up in there. You drive up this road that's behind me, and that's about a 5-kilometer hike out and back. And this is where I'm sitting this morning, so that I could get 5G, so that I could upload my photos. There's a little pull off here, and I don't. It's funny, like the scale on the video doesn't seem to do it justice, but the mountains around here are huge. Like, we're talking 2,000 feet. You know, some of them. And some of them are like 2,000 feet sheer cliffs. Like, but just sitting here, I'm almost giddy because of how beautiful it is. The sun is shining. Like, we're on this is our 3rd day, and we've had nothing but sun here in Newfoundland. It's not been warm. It's only probably 3 or 4 degrees, but like with views like this, unbelievable. I get it. I totally get it. If you ever have a chance to come and visit the west coast of Newfoundland,